Hi, I'm Corrin with Thompson RV in Pendleton, Oregon. Today we're standing outside of the new titanium Blackstone 280 KVS model. This model came out not too long ago and it's been extremely popular because of the beautiful rear kitchen windows. This is one of the only models that does not have the front windshield in the titanium series, and that is because on the other side of this front cap is the front closet. So there's two models, the 280 KVS and the 270 RLS, that do not have that front windshield. All of the other titaniums will. But this one has a few different features. We're just gonna do a quick walk around on the outside, and then I'll take you inside to show you the beautiful kitchen. So like all of the other floor plans, you do have a full pass-through storage right here that you can access from both sides. But on this model, because the bed slides out, you also have storage under the bed here, which is a nice little space, and it is also coated in the rubber diamond plate. Outside shower, your 2-valve hatches, black tank flush, obviously a light so that you can see what you're doing if you have to dump your tanks in the dark. Obviously titanium edition, you can watch our video on all of the titanium series features, but one of those features is the frameless windows, slide toppers, backup camera, high gloss fiberglass exterior, just to name a few. When we come around the back here, you also have a hatch right here that accesses a kitchen garbage can. So from the inside, I can show you how you take off the countertop, you can throw in your trash, but then you don't have to walk through the trailer with your sack of garbage. You can actually come right here, open up this hatch, and take out the garbage. Satellite and cable hookup. This is where you would plug in your power cord. Furnace, fresh city water. This is where you would plug your city water hose in. On the back here, you've got your water heater. We order all of ours with the rear receiver hitch. That's called the mountain storage system. It comes with a hitch that holds 250 pounds and also a toy lock on the front of the trailer. Another hatch that's unique to the 280 KVS is this little compartment right here. It's not overly large, but it was just kind of wasted space, so they went ahead and gave you a pretty tall little storage area in there. Right here you have your reefer vents. Your fridge is in the slide out in this model. And then we come around to the entry door. This is a single door model, so it doesn't have two doors. Kind of like the 280 RKS, it's a middle door entry. So now we'll go on inside. Okay, so here we are on the inside, and I cannot wait to show you this floor plan. I actually love to cook, and so this kitchen is my absolute favorite. Not only do you get tons of counter space to be able to actually prepare a meal, you also get a gorgeous view, tons of natural light. Again, so many floor plans, they're very limited on their counter space. Now granted, some models are shorter, so obviously they're working with less room, but if you can go a little bit longer and go with a trailer that has ample amounts of counter space, it is so nice when you have people with you or you're just trying to prep food. Again, I love to cook, so I love being able to make my own food on the road. For me, that's half the reason I travel in a travel trailer versus staying in motels, is because I want to be able to prepare my own breakfast. I want to prepare kids' lunches, dinners, everything. So I just love the U-shaped layout. There's tons of counter space. You've got tons of drawers. You've got under sink storage, more drawers over here, pot and pan drawer under the stove. The microwave is down low. And that is because obviously when you remove the upper cabinets to put in the windows, you have to put the microwave somewhere. So they have done it a little bit lower. You've got more storage under here. And then you do have this corner pantry storage. So the new titanium has the brand new stove that has ignition, so you no longer have to watch my YouTube video on how to light your pilot light, because you don't have to crawl down on your hands and knees to get in there to light the pilot. It actually ignites with the button. It also has an oven light, which I've never seen in a travel trailer before, and then these the lights behind the stove knobs. Over here, as I stated, on the outside, you have a little hole in the counter where you can drop down your garbage into a can, and then you open up that little hatch on the outside and take out your garbage. This is a brand new color of countertop too for the titanium series in the 2021 models. I really love it. It's kind of, they've gone with more of a quartz look, a little bit lighter, helps make the trailer lighter and brighter. Speaking of colors, in a titanium model, I get a lot of questions. The dinette is always two-tone. So this is going to be your darker color. This is going to be your lighter color. When you're ordering a titanium series, you have the option of a light color, dark color. The only real place in this coach that you're going to see that color is going to be either chairs, sofa, or theater seating. So this, of course, is in the darker color. If you wanted the lighter color, swap it out and poof, you've got the light color instead of the dark. And that, what I love about that is it's very simple. There's not a lot of choices. Nothing else changes. It's just this seating area that changes. So that's kind of a fun little fact. Again, we have a video on the titanium series. I would highly recommend, if you haven't seen that, to go ahead and watch it. It's going to talk about all the features, the auto leveling system, the fiberglass differences, the windows, the mattress, the cabinetry, all of those high-end features. Here at Thompson RV, we do dominantly titanium series because all of us here own them and we all absolutely love the trim level and think it's well worth the money. So, yeah, so this model, again, you've got your dinette over here. That makes into a bed. You've got your theater seating over there. That does not make into a bed, but you can order it with a sleeper sofa. When you wrap around over here, you've got your TV cabinet area. Fireplace is optional. There's only a couple of models with the bedroom slide out, and I'll show you in a minute in the bedroom, but you have the option of a bedroom fireplace as well. That's kind of a cool feature. Some people prefer cabinets, but it's personal preference. Titanium, you get the solid surface countertops under the TV as well, so not just in the kitchen, you get them throughout the coach. So now let's go take a peek at the bedroom and the bathroom. Okay, so as stated, the 280 kVS is a triple slide model. This is one of two models built by Outdoors RV that actually has the bed that slides out. So not just the wardrobe closet with the bed running north-south, you've got the bed that actually runs out. That's a cool feature just because it opens you up for this closet, right? So here you are, you've got this with a rod up here, a light, and it's really deep. So you actually have shoe storage or whatever you want to use this for all the way back in here. And then on each side you have a cabinet that also has drawers and storage. So you've kind of got his and her closets, which is pretty cool. At the foot of the bed, you have a hamper that lifts up. Again, you can put dirty clothes in there, or you could do shoes or anything you want. This model, as I stated earlier, you can actually get a bedroom fireplace here. This one was special ordered and the customer actually just chose to have the storage there, but that is a feature. So you'd have another bedroom fireplace, which is kind of cool. It is a 110 fireplace, both of them are. So if you have questions on that, it is 110 only, so it does not run off of the battery power. You have to be plugged in or be running off of a generator. But it does, you can run heat, you can run just the flame, or you can run both at the same time. I have found that it's very handy places like the Oregon coast where you wake up and it's kind of chilly, but you don't necessarily need to kick the furnace on, or it's damp at the Oregon coast and you want a little bit of a drier heat. It's been really nice, you know, with 3 little boys, I can stick all their shoes and things in front of the fireplace, kick it on, and it gives it more of a dry heat to actually dry things out. So that's when I have used my own personal fireplace, is for that reason. So then also this model, you have access to the bathroom from the bedroom or also from the hallway. That's kind of a nice feature, especially if you have people sleeping out in the living room and maybe you're sleeping in the bedroom. You each have access without having to walk past each other to get to the restroom maybe in the middle of the night. So now I'll go ahead and show you the bathroom. So here we are in the bathroom of the 280 kVS. Might not look like it on video, but this is actually a really spacious bathroom. I love the glass corner shower, and it does have a little bench in there. I get asked that a lot, and this one does have that. You've got towel hooks behind the toilet. The toilet is actually angled too. So what that does is if you're tall, it gives you a lot more leg room here than if you've got it pointing right at a cabinet. And then I'll come around and show you the linen closet. Okay, so now we're over on this side and I wanted to show you the linen closet. So it actually has a removable shelf up here too with hanging. So you can use this as an extra wardrobe. These two shelves are permanent. And then you have a drawer down here. Obviously you've got your nice vanity cabinet down below. Titanium series, so you get the solid surface countertops with the underslung stainless sink, the titanium mirror, and then you get this nice little medicine cabinet up here. So that wraps up our tour of the 280 KVS Titanium series. If you have any more questions on the Outdoors RV products, we have a lot of videos right on our YouTube channel that are going to go over things like the titanium features over a mountain series. We've got the auto level, backup camera, all sorts of different things. Casey does some more technical walkthroughs on the products where I do more of the features and benefits and sort of the floor plans. So be sure and subscribe. We are putting out new videos all the time as time allows. So thank you for stopping by our channel, and we hope you enjoy these videos.